Hello friends, in this video let us see how to extract all URLs from hyperlinks in Excel using formula. This is a sample data where all the entries of column B are having hyperlinks. Now if I want to extract all the hyperlinked URLs into column C, you need to watch this video completely. First let us write a small code. So let's go into the VBA editor window. Insert a new module and type the code as function space get URL, open the parenthesis, hyperlink space as space range, close the parenthesis, press enter, tab get URL equals to hyperlink dot hyperlinks, open the parenthesis, select the index as 1, close the parenthesis, dot address. Okay, last line will be the end function. Now save this file and go back to the Excel sheet. In cell C4, type the formula as equals to get URL, in the parenthesis, select the cell B4 and press enter. You will see the exact URL address of Google in the cell C4. Similarly, if we drag the same function till the bottom cell in the table, you can see all hyperlinks getting extracted in column C. This is very simple and quick, right? So friends, in this way one can extract all URLs from hyperlinks in Excel using formula. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.